everyone, welcome to Cumbul Tiny House Workshop. I continue to come to you with tiny houses with different square meters with different concepts in Cumbul Tiny House. In this video, I will introduce you to this tiny house you see behind me. Our house consists of 24 square meters, 8 meters in length and 3 meters in width. There is a very sweet loft floor inside. In the outermost part of the house, wooden insulation printing was used to be resistant to water and heat. As you can see, some parts of the house are kept white and some parts are left in normal natural wood color. At this point, wood preservative was used. Wood preservative is actually a varnish. It protects the house against both external impacts, negative effects from outside, and pests. At the same time, it makes the house look well kept. Varnish was actually used on both sides, but on this side, colorless varnish in order to preserve the natural color of the wood. At this point, colored varnish was used. The house you see here is a completely custom designed house. By the way, let me mention this right away. In Cumbul house, you can also have the house of your dreams. Tell them the design you want and they will create it. There are 2 sconces for lighting on the outside of the house. You can increase or decrease these sconces. This is a detail that is completely up to you. One of the most common questions in such small houses is whether the electrical wiring is ready in the house. Yes, Cumbul is delivered to the customers with the electrical wiring of the houses in the house. At this point in this house, you can see that the electrical panel is prepared. Glass wool is used on all facades of the house, including the roof. Glass wool is an insulation material that provides heat and sound insulation made of melted glass. Let's take a look at the interior of our house together. We enter the house through the sliding glass door. After entering through the sliding door, we are greeted by an area with a seating group. Of course, you can put anything you want here. It all depends on your imagination, but in my opinion, the seating group is very pleasant at this point. There is a small kitchen area right next to the point where we enter the house. I see that there are enough cupboards underneath, and in addition to the cupboard, there are 3 drawers, the bottom one being a bit bigger. Next to it is a huge cupboard with 2 deep doors. You can fit a lot of pots and pans in here. There is also a deep compartment just below the sink that opens downwards. The lower cabinets are kept very full, but on the upper side there is a tiny cabinet with 2 goat doors. This is so that it doesn't look closed because this is a kitchen that is integrated with the room. The kitchen has a 2-burner electric stove. Of course, this is completely according to your taste. You can put a 4-burner stove here if you wish. There is a nice deep sink at the end of the kitchen counter. Between the sink and the stove, there is a countertop where you can work and prepare your meals. Above the counter, there is a small sliding glass window through which you can serve your food to the outside or let the smells of food escape. If you build a patio in the front of your house and put a dining table there, you can serve your meals from there. The more efficiently you can use small houses, the more enjoyable they are. The purpose of small houses is to use space efficiently. A table that folds completely and becomes one with the wall. If you wish, you can fold and remove the table when you are not using it so that it does not take up much space. The house has 2 doors. One is the door on the front facade that I just entered. The other is this door on the back facade. If we visit the bathroom immediately, the bathroom is entered from this point. But before entering the bathroom, I want to show you these details. There are 3 small spotlights on 3 sides of the bathroom door. It's very nice and elegant here. The most pleasing detail of the bathroom is the sliding door. The sliding door also saves space. When we enter the bathroom, there is a section reserved for the washing machine at this point. There is a socket where you can plug in the washing machine's valve and diaper rash. There is a small window above the toilet bowl to ventilate the bathroom. Since this house is a personalized design, it was wanted to keep the bathroom spacious, and the bathroom was kept really spacious. There is a hand wash sink and a small cupboard underneath. There is a very large shower area here. There is also a shower cabin with a sliding door. I often mention in the video that this place makes personalized designs. You can come to Cumbul Steelhouse and build the house of your dreams. We talked about the kitchen, but we didn't talk about the refrigerator. You can put your refrigerator in this spot you see here. This place is completely designed for the refrigerator. Making use of the bottom of the stairs is one of the special details of small houses. I opened the cupboard doors and you can see they put little shelves in them so that these places can be used as pantries. When we go up the stairs to the loft floor, we see a very spacious and large area on the loft floor. On average, this is an area of 5 square meters. One of the most beautiful features of the loft floor is that it has a sky window, a window that opens to the sky. You can watch the sky while sleeping at night. Apart from the sky window, there are 2 opposite windows on the loft floor. By the way, the brand of all these windows is Egepen Deconic. Finally, if we talk about the roof air waterproofing membrane, OSB, Levo, and shingle were used as roofing materials. In this video, we visited this small house of 24 square meters, which was created with a completely personalized design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourselves very well. Goodbye.